800 Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this 800 Credit Repair Review, where I'll dive into its features, who it's designed for, and how it works. Links to the service are available in the description if you want to learn more or get started. 800 Credit Repair is a credit repair service aimed at individuals seeking a fast, professional way to improve their credit scores and address inaccuracies on their credit reports. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with issues such as denied loans, high interest rates, or difficulties qualifying for mortgages and credit cards due to poor credit. One of the standout features of 800 Credit Repair is its comprehensive credit analysis. Upon signing up, their team reviews your credit reports in detail, identifying negative items like late payments, charge-offs, collections, or inaccuracies that might be holding down your score. They use a tailored dispute process to challenge questionable items directly with credit bureaus and creditors, working to have them corrected or removed. Another key advantage is their dedicated credit specialists who guide you through every step of the process. These professionals ensure that you're informed about the progress of disputes and offer actionable advice for improving your credit profile. In addition, 800 Credit Repair provides educational resources to help you understand how credit works and how to avoid common pitfalls, ensuring you maintain a healthier score over time. The service also prides itself on quick results. Many clients start seeing improvements in their credit scores within the first few months. They also offer customizable plans to fit different needs, making it accessible for a wide range of budgets. 800 Credit Repair is ideal for anyone who wants to leave the complex credit repair process to professionals while focusing on building a brighter financial future. With its results-driven approach and customer-oriented service, it's a solid choice for improving your credit health. If you're ready to take the next step toward better credit, check out the links in the description to explore 800 Credit Repair and see if it's the right fit for you. Take control of your credit journey today.